Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of power cords with a spotlight on what many are calling the best Bose power cord on the market. It's none other than the PWR Long 6 FT2 Prong Polarized power cord. Now, before we unravel why this power cord is making waves, let's take a closer look at what it offers. First off, this power cord boasts an impressive 6-foot length, giving you that extra reach you need to conveniently power your Bose devices. But it's not just about length, it's about quality too. This cord is all-rose certified with NISPT22, C18 Aruban Florins wiring, ensuring durability and safety. Plus, it features IEC 60320C7 connectors to NEMA 1 to 15P, providing a secure and stable connection every time. Now, let's talk compatibility. Whether you own a Bose-Companion 3, 5 multimedia speaker system, SoundDock 10, SoundTouch 2030, or a Customaz 1516 Series 2, this power cord has you covered. It even works with other devices like Aris Wi-Fi routers, Vizio TVs, and Sony PlayStation consoles. And there you have it, folks. The PWR Long 6 FT2 Prong Polarized power cord is the ultimate choice for powering your Bose devices. With its superior build quality, extensive compatibility, and stellar customer support, it's no wonder why this cord is flying off the shelves. That wraps up our review for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful reviews. Until next time, happy shopping!